Are you looking for a quick and easy upgrade for your 2019 and up Ram? Well, here at Morimoto, we have the product for you. This is our Morimoto XB LED license plate lights. But before we get into the install, let's tell you what these are all about. Their UV-coated polycarbonate lens will resist the test of time, ensuring they look good as new for many years to come. They come in a nice piano black finish. And as you can see with the Morimoto XB license plate light, it is going to be extremely bright compared to your OEM one. With your OEM, it only has 2 LED chips compared to ours with having over 20. This is the perfect accessory to help you see your trailer hitch at night while hooking up. And it really updates the style of the back end of your Ram truck. So enough of talking, let's get straight into the install. First thing you're going to do, you're just going to take a 10 mil off the very back of your OEM one. Now with that 10 millimeter screw removed, all you have to do is lift up on your trailer plug lid and wedge out your OEM license plate light. Go ahead and disconnect it from your OEM harness and then connect your new Morimoto XB license plate light onto your OEM harness. Just slide it back into place, bolt it up, and you're good to go. And easy as that, they are installed. And you can tell the difference between the OEM and the Morimoto XB. The brightness is insane. So if you want to find out what other products we have in store for your 2019 and up Ram, make sure to put your year, make, and model on our website, and we'll catch you guys over there.